first of all, that we are talking about two events. One, which is going to be a closed internal workshop where researchers and scholars from all over Latin America and other parts of the world will gather to discuss this very important topic on child poverty, public policies and democracy. The other part is going to be a public event jointly organized by the institution that's supporting this event, and where a broader participation is expected. Also journalists and specialists in this topic. The first part, I think that is going to produce a quite important results, in the sense that we're going to address one of the most important topics in our societies, in our contemporary societies, which are the relationship between poverty, inequality and democracy. I cannot think of a more important topic in our present, and I'm confident that the scholars that we accepted to be part of this event will develop acceptably this event, where they will discuss in a quite critical way, and I highlight the word critical, this incredible important topic. And I think that dissemination is one of the greatest challenge we as academics, as scholars face, because if I ask you how many politicians, how many journalists read our books, I'm sure that if you are polite enough, you will say a few. But in fact, there are just so few people who read our books and the results of our research that we need to be, I would say, more open to consider other products like briefs or other dissemination tools for these important topics. We are going to do that. However, and now I'm getting into your third question, what are the expected results? I must say that we are going to produce not one but two versions of a book. One version in Spanish, which is going to be published by Flaxo and widely distributed in Latin America and Iberoamerica, and the second version is going to be in English to guarantee a broader dissemination. We expect in CROP to help to publish this book in English by using the series we have with said book in London, a very prestigious publisher. But this is not the only result we expect. Books and briefs. We are looking forward to consolidate the labor of the working group on child poverty and inequality, which is supported by CROP and Equity for Children, and we are going to include the participant, or at least to invite them in the activities of this group. Certainly we do expect an increased academic cooperation among all the institutions involved in this project, and we also would like very much to expand this cooperation to new geographical regions like Africa and Asia, and why not Southern Europe. In fact, some of the institutions that are cooperating in this project are involved in the organization of an international workshops in Athens, Greece, where we will discuss the topic of child poverty and youth unemployment, a very relevant topic for Southern European countries, and of course we are going to involve Middle East and North African countries in this initiative. Finally, I'd like to thanks to all the organizations that made possible this event, particularly the local partners that having very constructive helping with the organization of this workshop and the roundtable as well. Thank you very much.